Hello, dear students. My name is Arela. I'm an English teacher, and today we are going to talk about passive voice, and also we will discuss about gadgets in our life. And the aim of the lesson to study new words connected with scientific and technological progress, and to practice for talking about gadgets in our life. To develop student speaking, reading, listening, and writing skills, to develop creativity, imagination, cognitive interest, and the ability to analyze and express their opinions, to bring up the interest to the new technology. Today's our new grammar theme is passive voice.
Today I'm going to teach you the difference between active voice and passive voice. Let's take a look at this sentence. The teacher teaches the students. In this sentence, the teacher is the subject of the sentence because the teacher is performing the action. The action in this sentence is teaches. The students are the object of the sentence because they are receiving the action. Another example. The boy eats an apple. In this sentence, the boy is the subject, eats is the verb, and an apple is the object. This is an example of active voice. Sometimes you can use subject and object pronouns to take the place of nouns in the sentence. This chart shows you an example of all of the subject and object pronouns. Let's look at an example sentence. My mom called my sister. In this sentence, my mom is the subject of the sentence and can be replaced with she. My sister is the object of the sentence and can be replaced with her. Let's practice. This sentence says, my dad cooked dinner for my brother and I or me. In this case, we must choose me because me is an object pronoun. In this example, my brother and I or me played basketball. We must choose I, the subject pronoun. Now let's talk about passive voice. The formula for passive voice is object plus a form of to be plus past participle plus by plus the subject. In this example active sentence, it reads, Diane eats pizza. To change this to passive voice, we must put the object first. Pizza, then the form of to be, is, then the past participle of eat, which is eaten, then by, and the subject, Diane. Let's practice. In this active sentence, many people as the subject, speak as the verb, and English as the object. To change this to passive voice, we put the object first, followed by is, then the past participle of speak, which is spoken, then by, then the subject, many people. In sentence 2, the object must come first, a book, followed by was, then written, the past participle of write, then by, then the subject, Tom. Notice that we use was in this sentence because this sentence is in the past tense. In the last sentence, we must put the object first, taxes, followed by were, then raised by the government. Notice that this sentence is also in the past tense, and we must use were because taxes is a plural noun.
Here is given formation of passive voice in different tenses. Okay, now let's talk about gadgets or new technologies in our life. First of all, let's identify what is gadget. Gadget is a small mechanical device or an appliance. Okay, now I wanna ask, what gadgets do people use? In order to answer to this question, we must learn new words. A camera, a dishwasher, a fax machine, a sewing machine, a computer, a TV set, a vacuum cleaner, a DVD player, a mobile phone, a calculator, an alarm clock, a mower, a video phone, a microwave oven. Okay, now tell me please, what can you say about these pictures? Yeah, there are a lot of different gadgets in our life. They make everything easier. You can find any information or location very quickly. They also have different applications. We can shop, take photos, and be in touch with everybody all the time. Now, it's very difficult to imagine our life without cell phones or computers and without gadgets. However, there are some drawbacks. Um, Children became lazier because they don't have to think much. Everything is done and can be found in the internet. Besides that, their health is becoming worse because they spend much time playing games. That's very bad for their eyes. But I think everybody should have a cell phone because it can help in difficult situations. For example, parents can know where their children are and that they can be used in emergency situations, also when people need help. That's why I have this gadget with me all the time. Even right now, we are learning with the help of gadgets. Okay, here is you can see reasons why cell phones are bad for your health. So it hinders sleep, increases stress, raises heart problems, and impairs hearings, causes poor vision, and so on. Here is given some useful internet abbreviations. Try to learn. Can you read this message? Let's read it together. A. I miss you, mate. Long time no see. How are you? B. Oh, I'm fine. I miss you too. How is your sister? A. My sister is okay. She's on a date today. B. I see. That's great. It's getting late. We should go before it gets dark. I hope I will see you later. Maybe tomorrow. Here is given text about internet. Read and try to find more information. Okay, now let's revise our theme. What did you understand? Let's see. Try to answer to the given questions.